We're going to learn how to insert a section break. Section break is good to use if you don't want the same properties applied throughout your document. For example, if you want the page orientation to change sometime in your document, or if you want your margins to be set differently. How we do that is we go to page layout and we go to breaks. We click on the icon, go down to section breaks. I'm going to select next page, and this will mean that there is a section break inserted between these two pages. I'm going to go to breaks again. I'm going to select next page. So how I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to go to the second page. I'm going to go to orientation and I'm going to select landscape. And you'll see now that because I've inserted a section break twice in this document, it will mean the second page is landscape and the third page, because there's a section break inserted, has gone back to portrait. Okay, now I'm going to change the margins in the third page. I'm going to change them to white. So here you can see on our first page the margin is set at normal. The second page is a landscape orientation. In our third page we've changed the margins to be set as wide. Now we couldn't do this without inserting section breaks. I'm going to show you. I'm going to go to new. Now without inserting a section break, I'm going to create 3 pages. Now I'm going to go to the second page. I'm going to go to page layout. I'm going to go to orientation. I'm going to select landscape. And you'll see it doesn't just affect that middle page, it affects all of them. Now for the third page, I'm going to go to margins. I'm going to change it to wide. You'll see that that's changed. But it doesn't affect the third page again, it affects all of the pages. So to get around that, I'm going to start again. We go to new. I'm going to go to page layout and select breaks. Next page, and I'm going to select another section break like so. For the middle page, I'm going to change the orientation to landscape. For the third page, I'm going to change the margin to wide, and you'll see now you've got the wide margin on the third page only. Margin is set to normal on the first page. Only the second page has the orientation set at landscape. And that is how you insert a section break.